A 3D printer is an exciting and useful tool for creating three-dimensional objects at home. However, many people assume that they are expensive and out of reach for the average consumer. Fortunately, there are plenty of budget-friendly 3D printers available that offer great value without sacrificing quality. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best budget 3D printer that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see more information and the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 5. Voxelab Aquila X2 3D Printer. The Voxelab Aquila X2 3D printer is a versatile and reliable printer that offers a range of features to enhance your printing experience. With its alloy frame and metal construction, it ensures stability and durability while maintaining a sleek and stylish appearance in black color. Measuring at 18.62 inches in depth, 18.9 inches in width, and 18.62 inches in height, this printer provides a decent build volume for your creative projects. Despite its sturdy build, the Aquila X2 is lightweight, weighing only 8,200 grams, making it easy to move and transport. One of the standout features of this printer is its fast heating capability, thanks to the carbon crystal silicon glass plate. It heats up in just 5 minutes, providing a strong adhesion for your prints and reducing the chances of warping. Additionally, the printing process remains quiet, with a noise level below 50 decibels, ensuring a peaceful working environment. Number 4. ComGrow Official Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. The ComGrow Official Creality Ender 3 3D printer is a reliable and efficient printer that offers impressive features for its price. Constructed with sturdy aluminum, this printer has a compact design, measuring 8.7 inches in diameter, 8.7 inches in width, and 9.8 inches in height, while weighing 14.6 pounds. One notable feature of the Ender 3 is its ability to resume printing seamlessly in the event of a power outage or lapse, ensuring that your print jobs are not interrupted. Additionally, the printer boasts easy and quick assembly, as it comes with pre-assembled parts, requiring only approximately 2 hours to assemble all the necessary components. The Ender 3 utilizes advanced extruder technology, minimizing the risk of clogging and ensuring smooth and accurate extrusion. Its V-shaped design, along with POM wheels, enables noiseless and durable movement during printing. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono 4K 3D Printer. The Anycubic Photon Mono 4K 3D printer is a powerful device that offers fast and precise printing capabilities. With its upgraded 4K monochrome LCD screen featuring 35 XY pixels, this printer provides exceptional accuracy in the 3D printing field. It boasts a high light transmittance of 7%, allowing for the absorption of higher curing UV power, resulting in faster printing and curing speeds. The single-layer exposure and curing time can be as low as 1.5 seconds. The Mono 4K resin printer offers a high resolution of 3,840 pixels by 2,400 pixels, delivering smaller pixels and a sawtooth texture that enables the printing of delicate and smooth surfaces. Its high contrast ratio of over 350:1 on the monochrome screen ensures accurate images in the exposure areas, resulting in highly detailed prints with clear and sharp edges and corners. Number 2. Elegumars 3 4K LCD Resin 3D Printer. The Elegumars 3 4K LCD Resin 3D printer is a cutting-edge innovation in the world of desktop MSLA 3D printing. With its super high precision and advanced features, this printer offers an unparalleled printing experience. Equipped with a 6.66 inches mono LCD with Ultra 4K HD resolution, the Mars 3 boasts a 30% higher XY resolution at 35 micrometers and a 37% larger build volume compared to its predecessor, the Mars 2. These enhancements ensure exceptional detail and amazing 3D prints. The Release Film 2.0 technology provides better protection for small and thin supports added to your models, resulting in a significantly improved success rate when printing intricate designs. Featuring a brand new COB lens and 36 highly integrated LED lights, the upgraded light source of the Mars 3 delivers over 90% uniformity of UV light illumination. This enhancement takes printing accuracy to another level. Number 1. ComGrow Official Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D Printer. The ComGrow Official Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D Printer is a top-notch FDM printer designed for DIY enthusiasts and home users. Built with a durable aluminum frame and finished in a sleek black color, it combines aesthetics with functionality. With dimensions of 8.66 inches in diameter, 8.66 inches in width, and 9.84 inches in height, it offers a compact footprint that fits well in any workspace. One standout feature of the Ender 3 Pro is its removable build surface plate, which not only protects the build plate but also ensures consistent temperature distribution across the entire printing surface. This makes it easy to remove printed models once they have cooled down. Equipped with a branded power supply, the Ender 3 Pro prioritizes safety by guarding against unexpected power surges. Additionally, it incorporates a resume print function, allowing it to continue printing from the last recorded extruder position in the event of power outages. The Ender 3 Pro arrives as a semi-assembled kit, providing an excellent opportunity to learn about the construction of 3D printers while setting it up. It offers a rewarding STEM educational experience in mechanical engineering and electronics, making it an ideal choice for those seeking both practicality and learning opportunities. Thanks for watching. 3D printing has become increasingly popular in recent years, but you don't need to break the bank to get started. In this video, we've covered some of the best budget 3D printers on the market, perfect for beginners or those looking to upgrade from a basic model. From easy-to-use plug-and-play options to DIY kits, there's a budget-friendly 3D printer for everyone. We hope this video has been helpful in your search for the perfect printer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech-related content.